Good morning, students. As you all know that now whole world is suffering from COVID-19. Students, today I am going to recite a poem on COVID-19. As you can see on your screen, you all will read with me. Corona started somewhere, now it is everywhere. Corona is not lazy, it is very crazy. That is why it is making all the human diseases. Watching TV, playing games, getting bored. Siblings started playing carom board. Corona can get a kill. For this, you do not need any special skill, nor any expensive bill. You only need the power of will. Watching Shaktiman on Doordarshan seems like olden days are coming back as golden days. Corona give a big pause. Now family members are getting close. There are real heroes of Marvel. They are the doctors who keep your health well. Nurses are sacrificing their life to keep guard your life. Do not forget to use hand sanitizer. Stay home and have patience, or you will be in hospital being patient. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. So, my dear students, what is the message of this poem? As you all know that corona started from somewhere, but nowadays it is everywhere in the world. And corona is not lazy. It is very crazy. It means it is spreading in the world very speedily, and it makes all humans ill. Are you getting my point? Now next is watching TV, playing games, getting bored. Siblings started playing carom board. In this, the message is that as you all are at home, you are watching TV, you are playing game, and yet you are getting bored, and your siblings started playing carom boards. Corona can get a kill. For this, you do not need any special skill. It means we can kill it. For this, we do not need any special skill or any high expensive bill of hospital. Only and only willpower is required here. By the willpower, we can kill coronavirus. Watching Shaktiman on Doordarshan seems like olden days. Now, all old serials are coming back on TV, and you all are watching them, and you feel that like olden days are coming back. Corona give a big pause. Corona stop our life. Now family members are getting close. because everyone is at home nowadays, so all members of family are getting close to each other. There are real heroes. Who is real hero nowadays? The doctors, the nurses, the police. They are the real hero because they keep our health well. Nurses are sacrificing their life to keep guard your life. You can see in television also, and you all know about it, that nowadays the doctors, the nurses, they all are on duty and they are sacrificing their life to save our life. Do not forget to use hand sanitizer. Stay home and have patience. Otherwise, you will be a patient. If you are moving out of house, then you will be a patient. So, my dear students, stay home and stay happy. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Now your activity is that you will write one poem on COVID-19 on A4 size sheet. I am sending this poem in PDF form also. Thank you very much.